My studio located right behind this door. Let me show you really quick how this area looks from above. Okay. No, this is how it really looks. Now we're in my studio where I film a lot of content. I made a lot of upgrades since the last bar tour video. Let me know if you want me to make a separate video to show everything in details. But today's episode is only how I film my YouTube videos, so mostly how I film my delicious cocktails, which is pretty simple. This bar top sitting on the electric desk that goes up and down. Pretty convenient since it's easier to adjust the height from here rather than adjusting it from the tripod. This is an area where I put my camera on top for unboxing or whenever I need over-the-head shots for something like that. Next is light, which is super important part of my filming process. Backlight can change the color like that or like this. My key lights are with a diffuser. I always need a soft light. I also use massive light for all overhead shots. It covers the entire area and there is no shadows. And to avoid this, next is my magic camera. This is the camera that I film everything on. Okay, this is the actual camera that I'm currently using, and I think it's the best camera in the world. Well, this is the older model, A6300, and right now I'm using A6400. Let me show it to you. Look at this. It has the fastest autofocus. This camera shoots 6K resolution, 8K, 16K. Okay, I'm just kidding, only 4K. It has all kind of pro level features. Even James Cameron going to film Avatar Part 2 and 3 on this camera. But seriously, this camera has incredibly natural looking image and video quality. I shoot cocktails only in HD and not even using 4K. Of course, you don't need such an expensive camera. Our phones are capable to film pretty much the same quality. I really like it because it has a flip screen, but mostly because you can connect different lenses to it. And let's talk about it now. I love Sony lenses. They're really sharp, but at the same time, they're pretty expensive. I use this little adapter that let me connect Canon lenses to Sony camera. Let me show it to you. Plug, put an adapter, take Canon lens and mount it. When you attach Canon lens, autofocus not working really well, but when I shoot cocktails, I mostly film everything in manual mode. This lens was supposed to be used for portraits or product shots. That's why I'm using it mostly for my B-roll. It gives really nice shadow depth of field. This is how it works. I get all the ingredients, then set a camera, start filming all cocktails from the beginning to end, then change the lens, change frames per second, and film separately B-roll. I used to do fancy transitions to add some excitement to my videos, but I don't do them anymore because I don't think anybody cares about it in 2021. When we watch educational content on YouTube, we want to follow closely and observe all steps so we can repeat them later. That's why I do slow, steady shots, but all the fancy transitions, well, maybe you want to see more of them? Let me know. Plus, my camera operator can't really do them. Oh, let me introduce you to my super talented camera guy. Oh yeah, it's in my phone. I open this app and he helps me to operate this camera and make a smooth B-roll. Next is audio, and clean audio is really important on YouTube. This little Rode mic is the best thing that came from Australia. I already ordered a new one with 2 receivers, so when I have a guest, I can film simultaneously. Yeah, and if you want to be a guest on Vlad Slickbartender, hit me up with your ideas. I will be hosting more people on the channel this year. Music for my videos. Well, I'm so lucky to have my personal composer who writes copyright-free music for all my episodes. Then I come to my office to edit. There are a lot going on during this process. I don't think you want to see, but if you do, let me know in the comments. After like 6,000 hours, I press this magic button and started replying comments from my favorite people and bots. Don't be distracted with all that gear, it adds only a little extra to your videos. If I didn't have any of these lenses, I still would be posting cocktail videos filmed on my iPhone. If you can bring value to the community, film it on any device you have and share it. If you enjoyed this video, check out my recent episode why it's the best time right now to start a YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.